Where are you going?
I'm just here. Yeah, I think you're safe there. You ready?
Oh, fucking, I'm gonna stand over here. Fucking retarded.
Yeah, I'm not standing here. I'm going for it. Not bad. Got it? Shrapnel was fucking everywhere. Holy fuck, I wasn't expecting that. Nice! I've never seen a tire blow, now I never want to blow a fucking
Yeah, sounded like a gunshot.
That was fucking sick, eh?
Did it make you jump too?
No.
Oh.
I just blew one out on fucking 17th, man. I noticed later.
Yeah, they're loud, eh?
Me and Michelle were driving down 17th and the other side blew out. It was so funny. We were driving and I'm like, the tire's gonna blow any second. We were on the airport. And then we had a quick